Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10L, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this tablet. First of all, just access calendar app. Now you need to pick a date by clicking on the chosen one. I will go with maybe that one. And then create your event by choosing this plus icon at the bottom right corner and choosing event. After that, you can adjust it however you wish to. For example, add a title. Now scroll down and pick starting hour and ending one. If you don't want to do that, just click on this sweater next to all day to disable this feature completely. Now tap on Does Not Repeat and click on one of those options if you wish for your event to repeat, for example, every year. If you don't, just set up Does Not Repeat. Now you can add people, select Add Location, over here, then click on while using the app or only this time, type in an address and click on the correct result. Then you can also set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before your event. And even take notes. When you're ready, choose Save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully created. If you wish to make some changes, you need to click on it and then tap on this pen icon at the top right corner. Oh, sorry. Maybe no? Okay. Then make your changes. I will change my title a bit and discard them by choosing this X icon at the top left corner, or save them by choosing Save at the top right one. If you wish to delete your event completely though, you can also do that by clicking on it, but this time selecting those three dots at the top right corner, clicking on Delete at the top and confirming your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!